X to iPhone 6. How to choose the best iPhone. Apple has increased prices of iPhones in India after the government hiked import duty on mobile phones from 15% to 20%. Barring the iPhone 6, which is locally assembled in India, Apple raised prices of all existing iPhone models by an average of 3%. The company's flagship iPhone X, 64GB, will cost Rs 95,390, while the 256GB variant is priced at Rs 1,08,930. Similarly, the 64GB variant of the iPhone 8 costs Rs 67,940, while the 256GB variant will cost Rs 81,500. The iPhone 8 Plus, on the other hand, will cost Rs 77,560 for the 64GB model. The 256GB model of the iPhone 8 Plus will now cost Rs 91,110. Apple also changed prices of iPhone 7 and iPhone 6 series in India. If you're in the market for a new iPhone, then you have to pay a bit more for the iPhone of choice. So which iPhone should you pick? Here's your guide to how they compare. iPhone X. The iPhone X, pronounced iPhone 10, is Apple's most distinctive-looking iPhone till date. It offers a complete redesign from the company's past devices. The iPhone X comes with a 5.8-inch OLED display that runs almost top to the bottom and side to side. There is no home button, meaning Touch ID no longer exists. Instead, the phone uses a new feature called Face ID to unlock the iPhone X. When you look at the iPhone, it will detect your face and will automatically unlock, even in the dark. Apple says it's hard to fool Face ID even with a professional-level mask. And yes, it promises to offer decent performance, wireless charging and capable cameras. Apple iPhone X stands out on many parameters. At Rs 95,390, iPhone X is surely an expensive device. Regardless of what many say about the device, the iPhone X is the best smartphone the company has ever released. Also read, Apple iPhone X, iPhone 8, iPhone 7, iPhone 6s, Apple Watch 3 prices rise in India. Here is full list. iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus. Both the iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus look and feel similar to their predecessors. Frankly, the design language appears to look stale at this point, but if the budget is a concern, we don't mind recommending the iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus. After all, there's nothing wrong with the iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus. If given a choice, iPhone 8 Plus should be a better buy than the iPhone 8, and the reasons are plenty. The iPhone 8 has got a larger display, wireless charging, dual cameras on the back, and offers the same speed as the iPhone X. There's a home button, and Touch ID is faster than Apple's own Face ID. Of course, the iPhone 8 Plus is cheaper than the iPhone X. As always, the final decision is yours. iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus. If you are looking to upgrade your iPhone 5S and money is an issue, Apple iPhone 7 series is pitch perfect for those people. The iPhone 7 and 7 Plus may not be radically designed phones, but they are clearly superior devices. The iPhone 7 is a good deal at Rs 52,370, but we'd bet on the iPhone 7 Plus if you are going to settle for an older generation smartphone. The iPhone 7 Plus offers a number of improvements, including a faster processor, dual cameras on the back, better battery life, and stereo speakers. Though, you will definitely miss the headphone jack from the iPhone 7 Plus. The iPhone 7 Plus costs Rs 62,840 for the 32GB model, while the 128GB variant will set you back by Rs 72,060. iPhone 6s and iPhone 6s Plus. They both offer significant upgrades over their predecessors, despite having similar designs. However, out of the two models, our recommendation would be to buy the iPhone 6s Plus. Let's face it, the iPhone 6s Plus is a better buy than the iPhone 6s. It comes with a superior camera, a bigger and sharper screen, and better battery life. If performance is your concern, go with the iPhone 6s Plus. Apple iPhone 6s costs Rs 42,900 for the 32GB variant, while the 128GB version will cost Rs 52,100. Meanwhile, Apple iPhone 6s Plus will cost Rs 52,240 for the 32GB version. iPhone 6 You could go with the iPhone SE, which is available for Rs 26,000 in India, but it doesn't offer a bigger screen size. If you want an iPhone with a larger screen size and decent performance, we'd recommend you to get the iPhone 6. There's still some life left within the iPhone 6, despite being an old smartphone. And the very least it will be upgraded to iOS 12. The iPhone 6's new price is Rs 31,900, up from Rs 30,780. For all the latest technology news, download Indian Express app.